Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're missing a few options such as the sleep, shutdown, and restart options when restarting your Mac device, or perhaps on the lock or sleep screen. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and select the System Preferences button on our system dock. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. And then you want to go ahead and select the Users and Groups button. Select the Log On Options button. And then you're going to have to click the lock to make changes, so go ahead and select that. Type in your administrator password and then select Unlock. And now we're going to show the sleep, restart, and shutdown buttons. Make sure that is check marked right there. Again, make sure that is check marked. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.